How wide is your knowledge about animals? Let's find out in this fun short quiz.
Dolphin or shark? Which animal is a mammal?
Dolphins breathe air and nurse their young like other mammals.
Elephant or hippo? Which animal cannot jump?
Elephants can't jump because of their massive weight and solid legs.
Owl or bat? Which animal uses echolocation to find prey?
Bats use sound waves to detect objects and locate prey in darkness.
Cheetah or falcon? Which is the fastest animal on land?
Cheetahs reach speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour when sprinting.
Camel or kangaroo? Which stores fat in its hump?
Camels store fat, not water, inside their humps for later energy use.
Snake or lizard? Which reptile has no eyelids or legs?
Snakes move by slithering since they lack legs and eyelids.
Whale or dolphin? Which one breathes through a blowhole?
Whales breathe through a blowhole located on top of their heads.
Crocodile or alligator? Which has a V-shaped snout?
Crocodiles have longer, V-shaped snouts. Alligators' snouts are rounder and wider.
Turtle or tortoise? Which animal lives mostly in water?
Turtles live mainly in water. Tortoises spend life entirely on land.
Cat or dog? Which animal can retract its claws?
Cats retract claws to keep them sharp and silent while walking.
Owl or eagle? Which bird can rotate its head 270 degrees?
Owls twist their heads 270 degrees to look behind without moving bodies.
Penguin or duck? Which bird cannot fly but swims well?
Penguins use their wings like flippers to swim swiftly underwater.
Bee or ant? Which insect makes honey?
Bees make honey from flower nectar and store it inside hives.
Spider or insect? Which has 8 legs?
Spiders belong to arachnids, having 8 legs instead of 6.
Giraffe or elephant? Which animal has the longest neck?
Giraffes use long necks to reach leaves on tall acacia trees.
Frog or fish? Which can live both in water and land?
Frogs are amphibians that start in water, then live on land.
Parrot or crow? Which bird can mimic human speech?
Parrots imitate human voices using their flexible tongues and intelligence.
Snail or worm? Which carries its house on its back?
Snails carry shells for protection and moisture preservation.
Octopus or squid? Which has 3 hearts?
Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood for oxygen transport.
Bat or bird? Which one is the only flying mammal?
Bats are mammals with wings, capable of powered flight.
Kangaroo or koala? Which carries its baby in a pouch?
Female kangaroos carry and nurse their babies, called joeys.
Polar bear or penguin? Which lives in the Arctic?
Polar bears live in the Arctic. Penguins inhabit Antarctica.
Cat or owl? Which animal's eyes glow in the dark?
Cats' eyes glow due to a reflective layer behind their retinas.
Crocodile or snake? Which swallows stones to aid digestion?
Crocodiles swallow stones to help grind food inside their stomachs.
Whale or shark? Which animal is warm-blooded?
Whales are warm-blooded mammals that breathe air and feed milk.
Ant or bee? Which lifts objects 50 times its body weight?
Ants are incredibly strong, lifting 50 times their own weight.
Peacock or flamingo? Which bird's color comes from its food?
Flamingos turn pink from carotenoids in algae and shrimp.
Ostrich or eagle? Which bird lays the largest eggs?
Ostriches laid the biggest eggs of any living bird species.
Camel or horse, which can survive days without water.
Camels store fat and conserve water efficiently to survive deserts.
Chameleon or frog, which changes skin color.
Chameleons change color for camouflage and communication.
Butterfly or bee, which helps pollinate flowers.
Bees carry pollen between flowers while collecting nectar.
Panda or koala, which mostly eats bamboo.
Giant pandas eat bamboo, making up 99% of their diet.
Tiger or lion, which has stripes on its skin.
Tiger stripes appear on both their fur and skin underneath.
Penguin or seal, which uses wings as flippers.
Penguins' wings evolved into flippers for agile swimming.
Elephant or whale, which has the largest brain.
Sperm whales have the largest brain among all animals on Earth.
Crab or lobster, which walks sideways.
Crabs move sideways due to jointed legs allowing side motion.
Crocodile or alligator, which survives longer without food.
Crocodiles can survive months without eating by slowing metabolism.
Seahorse or goldfish, which male carries babies.
Male seahorses carry eggs in pouches until birth.
Sloth or monkey, which moves the slowest.
Sloths move extremely slowly to save energy and avoid predators.
Dolphin or whale, which communicates using clicks and whistles.
Dolphins communicate with clicks, whistles, and body signals.
Bee or butterfly, which dies after stinging.
Worker bees die after stinging because their stinger gets stuck.
Elephant or rhino, which has the longest pregnancy period.
dolphins carry babies for about 22 months, the longest known.
Penguin or polar bear? Which bird mates for life?
Many penguin species stay loyal to the same partner each year.
Dog or cat? Which sweats through its paws?
Cats release heat and sweat mainly through their paw pads.
Snake or crocodile? Which lays eggs but guards them?
Female crocodiles guard nests and sometimes help hatchlings reach water.
Ant or bee? Which has queens, workers, and soldiers?
Ant colonies have organized castes, queens, workers, and soldiers.
Bat or owl? Which sleeps upside down?
Bats rest upside down to hang safely and take off easily.
Frog or salamander? Which breathes through its skin?
Frogs can absorb oxygen through their moist skin surface.
Koala or sloth? Which sleeps up to 20 hours daily?
Koalas sleep about 20 hours due to low-energy eucalyptus diet.
The last question.
Elephant or whale? Which communicates using infrasound?
Elephants use low-frequency sounds to talk across long distances.
Yay! It's done! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.